Hello guys, how you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. You guys are doing great. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you know that you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video. Quickly, yeah, see guys, I'm really tired right now. So you guys can see my face. I just finished formulating, like since morning I've been busy formulating products. So I just want to quickly do this an intro before teaching you guys how to make this product. So guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make this beautiful coffee sugar scrub. Okay, so this is our upgraded coffee sugar scrub. So we changed the recipe because of some reasons. So we changed the recipes and we have some new beautiful products in here. As you guys can see, this is a little bit lighter than the one that we normally make. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's very light. This contains some beauty, a lot of beautiful products, guys. A lot of lightening botanicals powder, lightening powders, actives, serums, and all of that. Hello guys, how you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. You guys are doing great. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you know that you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video. Quickly, yeah, see guys, I'm really tired right now. So you guys can see my face. I just finished formulating, like since morning I've been busy formulating products. So I just want to quickly do this an intro before teaching you guys how to make this product. So guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make this beautiful coffee sugar scrub. Okay, so this is our upgraded coffee sugar scrub. So we changed the recipe because of some reasons. So we changed the recipes and we have some new beautiful products in here. As you guys can see, this is a little bit lighter than the one that we normally make. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's very light. This contains some beauty, a lot of beautiful products, guys. A lot of lightening botanicals powder, lightening powders, actives, serums, and all of that. So this scrub is good for stretch mark, it's good for dark spots, it's good for hyperpigmentation, it's good for green vein, it's good for a lot of things. Okay, you can use this for your face and body. It's very mild, it's not a harsh product at all, and it has a very beautiful smell. God, I love the smell so much. The smell is so nice. Okay, it's so nice. So you are going to love this scrub. Okay, if you want to buy from us, you want to scrub, you want to buy from us, you want to make it, it's fine. There's nothing, I did not hide anything from this. I just want to show you guys from the depth of my heart so that you guys can just try new things, and you know. So guys, in making our sugar coffee scrub, this is a whitening scrub. So I have my brown sugar here. This is how it looks like. In here I have 3,000 grams of brown sugar. Each pack contains 500 grams, so I have 6 in here, which is 3,000 grams. And then I have my 200 grams of coffee powder. Okay, here's my coffee powder. And then I have this beautiful Vid gold sugar and milk whitening body scrub. These have a very good smell and it's very good, but it's a little bit expensive. Okay, this work for sunburn, remove odor, black spots, refreshing and moisturizing, and anti-pimple and wrinkle. This is a very good scrub. Okay, so I'll be using this. And then I'll be using Crow's Carnicle, okay, for those people that have a green vein and stretch mark. I'll be making use of this. I'll be making use of Skin Perfectox serum. Okay, it's a very good whitening serum. Okay, it's good for dark spots, it's good for wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. And then I'll be adding honey. Okay, so yeah, I have my pure organic honey. Okay, make sure that you are using a very good honey. And then I have my vitamin E oil. Okay, I have my Freedom concentrate. This contains collagen and glutathione. For my essential oil, I'll be making use of lavender essential oil. Then I'll be making use of miracle powder, 2 packs of miracle powder. Miracle powder is very good for sunburn, It's good for black spot, pimples, black knuckle, brown patches, stretch mark, and aftershave. It is a very nice powder. And here I have my whitening glycerin. Don't forget, I said that this is a whitening or lightening scrub. Okay, so as you guys can see, if you have been watching my tutorial about sugar scrub before, you know that this recipe here is totally different. Okay, here is my whitening glycerin. I have my white licorice powder. So for my botanicals powder, I will be making use of lemon peel powder. Lemon peel powder is very good for dark spot, hyperpigmentation. It's good for sunburn. It's good for pimple, very good for pimples. And then I have rice powder. Rice powder is a very good exfoliant which brightens the skin and exfoliates the skin very well. And then I have cinnamon powder. I have this beautiful powder here, sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder brightens the skin. It's good for stretch mark. It's good for dark spots. It's good for pimples. Very good for pimples, and it blends the skin as well. So for my shower bath, I'll be adding this Clear Nature Original Lightening Exfoliating Shower Gel with scrub. Okay, I'll be adding this into it, and then I'll be adding in carrot seed oil. Okay, this is my carrot seed oil. This is going to add as moisture. Okay, so now we're going to start mixing. First thing I need to add into my scrub is my coffee powder. So this coffee powder, I have 200 gram. Okay, so here is my coffee powder, and next thing I'm going to add in is my Vid Gold sugar and milk whitening body scrub. This have a very beautiful scent. Okay, so I'll be adding this into it. This is also a sugar scrub. So here I have my cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons. In here I have my lemon powder, 2 tablespoons. Then I have my licorice powder, 2 tablespoons. Licorice powder is a very good powder that works for acne, and also it glows the skin very well. It blends the skin and give it that even skin tone. And here I have my rice powder. So in here I have my lavender powder. Lavender powder is very good for sunburn. So here I have 5 tablespoons. So now that I'm done adding all my botanicals powder and my lightening powder, then I'll add in my serum. So first thing I'm going to add in, this is my whitening glycerin. So I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons, or let's say 60 ml. Okay, so here is my 60 ml of whitening glycerin. So I'm going to add it to it. So next thing I'm going to add in is my vitamin E oil. I'm going to be adding in 60 ml as well. In here I have my vitamin E oil, that's 30 ml, sorry, 60 ml. So next thing I'm going to add in is my carrot oil. I'm going to be adding in 60 ml as well. So here is my carrot oil. So I'm going to be pouring it in. So I'll be adding that in. And next thing I'm going to add in is my whitening my 7 days skin perfector serum. So I'm going to be pouring in everything. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going to be pouring in everything. So next thing I'm going to add in is my Skin Freedom concentrate. So I'll be pouring in everything as well. So next thing I'm going to add in is my miracle powder. So I'll be using 2 of this miracle powder. So here is my miracle powder. I'll be pouring in everything. So next thing I'm going to add in is my original Clear Nature Lightening Exfoliating Shower Gel. So I'm going to add in half of this. Okay, so as you guys can see how the color is. So it is scrubbing exfoliating whatever exfoliating shower bath. Okay, it has scrub in it. So now next thing I'm going to add in is my honey. So I'm going to be adding in 500 ml of honey. This is 1000 ml, so I'll be adding in half of this. So guys, this is half. So guys, next thing I'm going to do now is to stir with my hand. I have to use my hand to mix it because I don't want to wear gloves or use a spatula to mix it. And at the end of the day, I will not feel the texture. I need to feel the texture and know how it feels. So if it's okay, then I will pack like this. But if it's not, I will then have to add in more shower gel. And after mixing this, or in the process of mixing it, I'm going to add in my lavender essential oil and my preservative. Okay, so here I have a full cover of the essential oil. Okay, this is a full cover. It's not really that full, let's say about 20 drops. Okay, so next thing I'm going to add in is my preservative. So I'll be making use of Jama Plus preservative. So for my preservative, I'll be using 60 ml of Jama Plus preservative. So the reason why I'm adding this preservative inside is just because of the shower gel. Basically, there's no water in this scrub, as you can see. So we didn't put any water. Everything that is in here are all serums, powders, and the scrub. So now next thing I'm going to add in is my strawberry fragrance. So I'll be adding in strawberry fragrance. So I want this scrub to have a very beautiful smell. So this is 60 ml of strawberry fragrance. I'll be pouring that in. So next thing I'm going to do now is to mix with my hand. Okay, so I need to feel this texture when mixing this. So I'm just going to use my hand to mix. You can decide to wear gloves if you want to, but so guys, this is how the texture is. Okay, this is how it is. So the texture is quite nice, just the way it is right now. So I still want to add more shower gel. Okay, so to add in that foaminess and the good stuff in that shower gel. Okay, so I'm just going to be pouring in the remaining shower gel into the scrub. So the texture is very nice and it looks so yummy. Oh my god. So guys, we don't have 250 ml scrub anymore. The sizes that we have now is 300 ml and 500 ml. Okay, so this scrub is going to blend your skin, glow your skin. And also, if you are the type that have dark spots all over your body, you have dark spots on your face, pimples, eczema, name it, any skin reaction like sunburn and all of that, this scrub is going to help you. All you need to do is just to be consistent when using the scrub. And also, you can use this scrub alongside with our glow oil, body glow oil, and mulatto soap or our black soap, and you will have a very beautiful complexion. So if you are dark in complexion and you just want to glow your skin, you can as well use this scrub alongside with our glow oil, and you will have the complexion that you want. Okay, this is going to maintain your skin. This scrub is very rich, guys. Very rich. It's not cheap at all. So it's very rich and very effective, as you guys can see. So if you really want to know much about all the ingredients that I use in producing this scrub, you can also just google it and you will know the benefit of all the ingredients I use in formulating this scrub, and you know that this scrub is one in a million. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to add in more shower gel, and then we are good to go. So these are the lumps inside the milk, the Vit Gold milk, and the sugar scrub. Okay, so I'm going to add in the shower gel now. So I'm going to do that off camera because I'm using one hand to record this and one hand to mix, because my tripod is not long enough to be able to film this. So I've been using my hand all along, so just pardon me for that. So guys, here is a shower gel that I added into it, so I'm going to mix together. So guys, if you want to use this scrub, you don't really need to pour water on your skin. You know, the regular one or the one that we have before, you need to pour water on your skin to be able to use it to scrub your skin very well, because that one was very thick. So that is the reason why I added in this shower gel. So the shower gel is going to help the soap to be very fluffy when using it to scrub. Okay, so we ship worldwide. If you want to purchase this from us, the only place that we don't ship to currently is Spain, because I think few times I've tried to ship something there, DHL tends to return it back. I don't know. So this is how the scrub looks like. Very rich and very effective, guys. This is my coffee sugar scrub. Okay, this is a lightening exfoliating treatment scrub. This is going to treat your skin, at the same time it's going to glow your skin and blend your skin. I'm not joking, guys, I'm not. So you can give this a try by using this scrub with our glow body oil, and you are good to go. You don't need much. This is the main reason why I always have dark knuckles sometimes, using my hand to formulate. I don't know why I know the year word. So let's pack. So guys, our coffee sugar scrub is ready. This is how it looks like. Okay, it looks so yummy. So guys, this is how it looks like. So we have 500 ml, we have 300 ml. So just in case, you can see this 250 ml here is for somebody because she has already paid before this production, so I have to deliver it to her. So this is it. So this is my share of the sugar scrub. So I have a little left in here before, which is my sugar scrub. Same with this, just that the formula is quite different. As you guys can see, this is thicker than this one, because there was a little left with the new one I just made, so I added it to the old one because that one was very thick. So I added it into it, and as you guys can see, the texture is thicker and it's darker in color. So look at how this one looks like. So this one is very light. So that's my share. So guys, here's the finishing of my whitening stroke lightening sugar scrub. So our label will be coming in tomorrow. Like guys, I'm so happy. So they'll be delivering my label tomorrow for all my products. So guys, as from next tomorrow, or maybe probably by Monday next week, if you be buying this from us, you'll be seeing our label on it. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share.